Yo, what's up guys? In this video, I am going to tell you how to have really good skin and white teeth and healthy teeth, and how I have not been to the dentist for any sort of like cavity or decay in 3 years. And my hygiene, like, honestly is not really that good. I probably shouldn't be saying this, but sometimes like I go like 3 days without brushing my teeth. So it's kind of gross, but I have like a secret weapon that I found has helped me to like keep my teeth very healthy and white for the most part. Yeah, they're white enough. Should I make this video? Probably not, but yeah, anyway, if you want to hear my like magical secret for keeping your teeth white and clean and healthy, keep watching. And it's also good for your face too, so yeah. Anyway, before we go into that, if you guys like non-mainstream health advice about fisting, okay. Oh my God, okay. Fitness, fasting, non-stream health, whatever. Anyway, subscribe to my channel. Oh, this is great. Yeah, so anyway, what's my secret? It's this magical stuff called bentonite clay, okay? What is bentonite clay? It is this clay, right? Dirt, essentially. I don't know what's the difference between clay and dirt. I don't really know. Looks like dirt. That comes from New Mexico, Utah, something. Anyway, it's like, they call it, I think it's very high in calcium or very high in magnesium. Anyway, you guys know I don't give a shit about the science, but why is it good? Why should you use it? Now, the way that I discovered this was when I was working in New Zealand. When was that? 2014, so 5 years ago. Okay, long time. When I was working in New Zealand about 5 years ago, I had a cavity, all right? Now, I had a decent job at the time. I was making pretty good money, but I was saving that money for something very specific, and I didn't want to go and spend money at a dentist to like fix my cavity, right? A couple $100 over there, right? Didn't have insurance, like didn't want to do it. So I went on Google and was like, how to heal a cavity naturally, right? I just thought, might as well try. Okay, now I found two things on there. Number one was a recommendation for a natural homemade toothpaste, and number two was oil pulling. Okay, so we'll talk about the oil pulling first, and then I'll tell you my experience with the bentonite clay, which was the main factor of the natural toothpaste. What is oil pulling? I should probably make a separate video about this, but essentially oil pulling is where you take oil, preferably either sesame oil or coconut oil, and you put it in your mouth and you swish it around like mouthwash for like 15 or 20 minutes, and then you spit it out. Now, apparently, like what this does, and again, like I don't know about the science, I've never like done any like oil pulling studies, but what it will do is it will, apparently your teeth have like all these like micro channels inside them, like little tiny channels essentially, and the oil will go through and pull out like all of the nasty bacteria or toxins, I don't even know. Anyway, long story short, it's supposed to be good for your teeth, right? So I was like, all right, I'll try it. Well, it's a big deal, do it in the shower. So I did it, and it worked, right? Every day where I would have a toothache or a little bit of sensitivity, I would do the oil pulling, and after a few days, it would be gone. All right, so like, oh, that's pretty cool. Now, the bentonite clay, what is that stuff, right? So I already said it's this like clay that grows out of the ground, or comes from the ground, or is found in the ground. Clay grow? Probably not. Yeah, now the way that I was originally like instructed to use it was to make like this like homemade toothpaste with like magnesium powder and activated charcoal and coconut oil and bentonite clay, and like mix it all together with like some peppermint oil. It tasted absolutely god awful. So like I didn't do that for very long, and I had the brilliant idea of just using like normal toothpaste and putting it on the toothbrush and essentially like dipping it like a dipstick, yeah, in the bentonite clay, so that the toothpaste gets like a very light coating of bentonite clay on it, and then you just brush your teeth that way, right? Now, the benefits, the practical benefits of bentonite clay are that your teeth, like honestly, when I do it, like my teeth feel so clean. Like you run your tongue along your teeth and it's just like so smooth and clean that you can just tell it's like very clean, right? I don't know how else to say it. Like, it just gets your teeth way cleaner than if you use toothpaste alone. It's number one. Number two, so they say that bentonite clay has like a magnetic charge. I think it's like a negative charge or something. And this negative charge like attracts toxins or something like that, attracts something with like a positive charge, like heavy metals or something like that, which you have in your teeth. I don't really know. But anyway, basically like it pulls all of the like bad stuff out of your teeth when you use it. And then, you know, makes your teeth healthier or something like that, right? But like I said, practically it works, makes your teeth super clean. That's number one. Number two, bentonite clay is like, I guess it has a lot of calcium in it. And the like logic, I guess, is that when you brush your teeth essentially with calcium powder, you're doing something called remineralizing your teeth. So somehow like the calcium from the bentonite clay like is absorbed into your teeth and makes your teeth stronger, right? Like, don't quote me on that. I'm not sure how accurate the science is behind that, but like I said, like, you know, I've said this in other videos, I don't really care about the science. I just care, like, does it work? Is it good? Yes, keep doing it. No, do something else, right? So it works. Not affiliated with bentonite clay in any way, although there might be an affiliate link in the description, maybe, not sure. Yes, there is. Okay, so the other way that you can use bentonite clay, and this is kind of like a side tangent, is that you can use it as a face mask, right? So essentially what you do is you mix it with water, put it on your face, you leave it for like 20 minutes, like you make it into like a nice paste, put it all over your face, and if you have any like oil in your face, like you have like maybe some blackheads or something like that, when you wash it off, it'll totally like pull out all of that nasty stuff. And I've noticed when I do it that like I have like, you can see I have like a couple lines right here. Not so bad for a 35-year-old man, right? Not bad. Those lines will be like totally smooth. Like I can't even do it, right? Even going like this. But like those lines, ow, fuck, I just poked myself in the eye. It's a great video. Yeah, anyway, those lines will be gone. And, you know, my skin looks better, right? I should probably actually do it more often. But I live with like 10 other people and it's just kind of weird. Cool. Yeah, so bentonite clay for the win. Oil pulling as well for healthy teeth. I used to brush with activated charcoal, but like in my experience, like it's just use bentonite clay, like not much of a difference there. Maybe I'll try the charcoal again. Anyway, if you guys have any questions about bentonite clay or how to use it or something else that I covered in this video, ask me in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel for more lovely chicken noises. And that's it. Peace.